Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. There is a small hint, but it's very important. In the permissions file, we see permissions related to modules like inventory and inventory storage. If you start clean, preferably you remove them first, because if you want to add the permissions here to the user, and if any permission is not already exist in the permissions table, it will the complete request will fail, because some of the permissions are not already or not exist right now. So these could be added after enable mod inventory and inventory storage, because then these permissions will be found in the permissions table, because enable process will simply add module permissions to the permissions table. And after that, if you rerun the script again, you can safely keep these permissions here. And this will apply for any permissions for any modules you want to work with, because here we did work with mod inventory as an example, as a sample. In modules.json, what we added to work with was mod inventory and mod inventory storage as well. So I kept the needed permissions in the module in the permissions.json file, but actually if you start from scratch, you need to remove them first. These should not be there. After the first running the script, the mod inventory and mod inventory storage modules will be should be already enabled. So these permissions will exist in the permissions table. Then if you restart the process again, the script again, where the API call for updating user permissions will succeed. Okay, and also you need these permissions to work with mod inventory from the first place. You cannot do anything with mod inventory if you don't have these permissions. Okay, so to wrap it up, first time running the script, these permissions should be removed. The second round, get them back, put them back, and run the script again, and then you can start working with mod inventory. Or you simply update the permissions manually from the postman. If you have the postman request, you can simply, for the updating user permissions, you can add these permissions manually, or any permissions you want. Okay, thank you, and see you in the next one.